So let me take up a question from coordinate geometry, which is very conceptual question. And when you just listen the question, many times you think how to go ahead. Okay, this is a question where a triangle is given to you. Okay, a triangle is given to you. Instead, the coordinates of all the three vertices are given to you. Let us say this is the triangle, right? For this triangle, the three vertices A, B, C are given to you. Let us say this is A, right? This is A, this is B, this is C, right? And the coordinates of these three vertices of the triangle are given to you as 3, 0 for this one, 3, 0, right? And the second vertices is -1, -6, and the third vertex is 4 and -1. So we need to find the circumcenter and the circumradius, right? So we know that, let us say the circumcenter will be lying somewhere over here inside the circle, okay, over here, right? And if this is the circumcenter, if this is the circumcenter, then from the protector you would be able to make a circle which will be circumscribing this triangle and touching the three vertices and crosses through crossing the three vertices of the triangle, right? So my dear friend, what we will do, we know the distance formula, we will be using that. Okay, so let us say this O is the circumcenter. Let circumcenter is O, and the vertices of this circumcenter is X and Y. Let us say the vertices of this circumcenter is X and Y, right? So if we assume the vertices of the circumcenter is X and Y, then what we will see, we know the property of a circle can pass through three distinct points, right? So if A, B, C are the three distinct points, A, B, C are three distinct points. Distinct points means they are having no relation with each other. Then in this case, a circle can pass through these three distinct points. And definitely when this will be the circumcenter, then O to A, this one, and even O to B, this one, and O to C, this one, all will be equal, right? OA will be equal to OB, which is equal to OC, because a circle can cross through three distinct points, and the three distinct points over here are A, B, and C, right? So from here what we will see, if the O is the circumcenter, then definitely OA is equal to OB equal to OC. So what we will do, we will use the relation of OA equal to OB, right? Because both of these are the radius and they will be equal. Even the OC is also a radius, right? So when OA is equal to OB, apply the distance formula, then we get the length of OA, that is root over of coordinates x2 minus x1 whole square. So over here x minus 3, x minus, just do for the abscissa first, then ordinate, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square root over of that will give you the length of, OA, right? And this will be equal to the length of OB. What is the length of OB? Just use the same distance formula, then x minus minus 1. So this will be like this, x minus minus 1, right, whole square, right, plus y minus minus 6, y minus minus 6 whole square. Okay, this will give you one equation into the form of two variables x and y. Okay, just square both the sides and you can see this square root will be eliminated. When you just square both the sides, a square root will be eliminated, and then we will be having x minus 3 whole square plus y square of the LHS as equal to x minus times minus, that will be plus. So x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square, right? This will give you that equation, right? This will give you that equation. Now just simply expand on the formula square. This will be x square plus 9 bs minus 6x plus, sorry, minus 6x plus y square is equal to, into the RHS we have x square plus 1 plus 2x plus, expand y plus 6 y plus 6 square also, right? So this will give you, I think you will be able to see the background how I'm making these sorts. Okay, so this will be giving you y plus 6 whole square. This will be giving you y square plus 36 plus 12y. Now from here what you can see that x square from LHS will be cancelling the x square into the RHS, right? Now y square into the LHS will be cancelling the y square into the RHS, right? And we are having minus 6x over here, right? So do one thing, just push this minus 6x into the RHS, then it will be 2x. Let me shift a little. It will be 2x earlier, 2x, and that minus 6x coming to the RHS will be equal to plus 6x, and then 12y already there. So just write plus 12y and nothing more, plus 36 and plus 1 minus 9, right? That is equal to 0, right? This will give you a equation into the form of x and y. What is that? 2x, here 2x, and this minus 6x, minus 6x going to the RHS, right? This will be 8x. So this will be giving you 8x plus this y, 12y, 12y, this is equal to 0, 12y plus, just add the constants, 36 plus 1, 37, 37, 37 minus 9, what is that? That will be coming at 28. That is coming as 28, right? So take 4 as common and we will have the equation 4x. If you divide it by 4, it will be 2x. 4 in 2 times will give you 8. 4, when divide by 4, you will get 2x plus 4 into 3 will be 12. So it will be 3y. 4 into 7 will be 28. So it will be 7. So 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 is one of the equation which is derived, right, my dear friend? Now go to the second relation, that is OB is equal to OC. When OB is equal to OC, then what we will be having? We will be having with OB is equal to OC, when you use this relation, that is OB is equal to OC, this will be giving you, just use the distance formula again, x minus minus 1 whole square. So that is OB is already known to you, this we have already calculated, and that is coming as x square plus 1, this is x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. Just write OB, that is x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square. Why? X minus minus 1, that is x plus 1, y minus minus 6, that is y plus 6 whole square, and root over of all this. So we have already calculated here, this is the length of OB. Okay, and we have eliminated this square root by taking a square into both sides of the equation earlier, right? So from here we already have the length of OB, right? In fact, root over of this, right? And this root can be eliminated later on, no problem. Now from here, what is OC? OC is x minus minus 4. X minus minus 4. That will be coming as x minus minus 4. So that will be giving you x minus only 4 plus 4. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus minus 1, this one, right? So this will be giving you y plus 1 whole square and a square root of this. Basically this is nothing but this is OC and this one into the LHS was OB. Okay, so if you compare it and do the this will be an equation and a square it, this square root will be eliminated, right? When this square root will be eliminated, then what will happen? You will be having x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square, right? Just expand it. When you expand it, it will be x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 12y plus 36 is equal to, here expand the RHS, x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y, right? So from here what we can see, again x square and x square will be cancelled out, y square and y square will be cancelled out, and we have 2x, this will be 2x plus 12y plus 36 plus 1 37 into the LHS as equal to, into the RHS we have this one minus 8x plus 2y plus 17, right? This will give you the equation to, when minus 8x will be coming into the LHS, it will be 10x, 12y when 2y going into the LHS, it will be equal to 10y, 12y minus 2y, you can see 12y here and 2y into the RHS, right? Plus 37 will be subtracted and 17 will be subtracted from this 37 when going, this 17 going into the LHS. So this will be giving you 20. So the final equation which is coming in the form of x and y when OB is equated to OC for this triangle having the circumradius, all the circumradiuses are always equal, we know it. We get the final equation as, when taking 10 as common, it will be x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, right? This is the equation number 2, x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, right? So we have two equations with us. One is this one and another is this one. Just make a note of it and just solve, and by elimination or any method you can do. Okay, just eliminate the variable and find the values of x and y, which will be giving you the value of the coordinates of the circumcenter, right? So let me solve it in a different phase, and the two equations are 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0, the first equation, and the second equation was this one, x plus y plus 2 as equal to 0, right? X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So let me write it out. X plus y plus 2 as equal to 0. This is one of the equation, and the second equation which was there with us, this we have taken, another was 2x plus 3y plus 7. So this will be 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, right? So we have two equations with us, so we can easily simplify it and solve it. Okay, how? Let us see. Just multiply the first equation by 2. Okay, and then what we will be having? We will be having 2x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, because we multiplied this first equation with this 2, right? We are going to eliminate, we are going for elimination, and the second equation was this one, 2x plus 3y plus 7. So just write it, 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now when you just solve it, the sign of the, just subtract it, then sign of the all the terms of the second equation will be changed. This plus will be changed to minus, this plus will be changed to minus, this plus will be changed to minus. So in this way, this 2x and 2x will be subtracted, right? This will be 0, right, from 2y minus 3y. So this will be giving you plus 2y minus 3y, right, plus 4 minus 7 is equal to 0, right? And this will give you, this equation will give you minus y, 2y minus 3y is minus y, minus 3 is equal to 0, which will give you finally the value of y equal to 3. No, not y equal to 3. Minus y minus 3 equal to 0. That means y plus 3 equal to 0. And 3 going into the RHS, this will give you minus 3. So the value of y is calculated, and that is minus 3, right? So coordinate of y is calculated for this circumcenter. Hi Radha Tanvi. Hello. Good morning, my dear friend. So y equal to minus 3 is calculated. Now just use this equation, one of the equation, that is x plus y plus 2 was equal to 0. This was equation number 1. Okay, so just put this y equal to minus 3 over here, then you get, let me zoom a little. Okay, no problem. So this will be x plus the value of y, put the value of y as minus 3. That's why I just shown this arrow, so that you can understand. Okay, I'm putting here the value of y from here, plus 2 as equal to 0. This will give you x minus 1 is equal to 0, which will give you the value of x is equal to 1. So x equal to 1 is your coordinate for the abscissa. So the center which we have considered for this circumcenter was O, whose coordinates was x and y, right? So the value of x and y is calculated, and that is 1 and minus 3. So 1 and minus 3 is the coordinate of the, tell me, circumcenter. So the circumcenter O, the circumcenter is having the coordinates x and y, which is basically 1 and minus 3. You can see this is abscissa and this is ordinate, right? 1 and minus 3 is the value. 1 and minus 3 is the value of the coordinates of this circumcenter. So this is solved, my dear friend, right? Circumcenter we have calculated, right? Now let us find out the circumradius. No, my dear friend, if you are going, we already calculated the value of xy, that was 1 and minus 3. So just put it over here. Okay, so it was calculated as 1 and minus 3. So if you are knowing the coordinates of the center, circumcenter, then definitely the circumradius can be calculated. Just calculate the length of OA, just calculate the length of OB or the length of OC. All will be same, because all these are the radiuses. Okay, so the circumcenter is known to you, and you are having the coordinates 1 comma minus 3, and if one of the all the three vertices are known to you, so just calculate the length of OA or OB or OC. All this will give you the radius. Okay, this is the circumradius. Okay, so what we will do, just use this. Okay, circumradius, let us take the let us calculate OA, which is your circumradius. Okay, so the circumradius will be calculated as, just apply the same distance formula, root over of x, it is already we did 1 minus minus 3, right? So this will be 1 minus, not minus 3, only 3, 1 minus 3 whole square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, plus minus 3 minus 0 whole square, using the distance formula only. Okay, hello. So from here we get the value of circumradius, just simply calculate it. So this will be giving you minus 2 whole square, right? Minus 2 whole square is nothing, this will be giving you, 1 minus 3 is minus 2, so minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 minus 0 will be minus 3, so minus 3 whole square, right? So this will be giving you root over of minus 2 whole square is 4, right, and minus 3 whole square is 9. So this will be giving you the value root over of 13. So root over of 13 is the length of circumradius. Okay, this root over of 13 is OA. So this is the length of OA. So this is the circumradius, my dear friend, root over of 13. So the circumradius over here we can write as root over of 13. Root over of 13 is calculated as the circumradius, right? This is the circumradius, my dear friend, right? So in this way we have solved this question. Okay, so for any query, you just put up into the comment box. These are the steps which we followed, and I think you understand that concept very clearly. Let me know any doubt into the comment box. Okay, just be connected. Happy learning, keep on learning, take care, bye bye, see you.